This lady from Palawan turned 5,000 into a business empire using one age-old Filipino secret. Meet Teresita from Palawan. She started her sari-sari store with just 5,000 selling Coke products. She wore and greeted everyone with a smile, remembering not just the names, but birthdays and favorite snacks. 4 years later, her little store had grown tenfold. Her secret? She treated every customer like family. People did not just come for soda. They came for the connection. And when her suki had problems, she'd offer credit or set aside their favorite item. In Filipino culture, suki isn't just a regular customer. It's someone who becomes part of your daily life. That's suki psychology, emotional investment phase, and breakable loyalty. Suki isn't about discounts or promos. It's about trust, care, and contentment. You want customers to stick with you for years. Focus on building new relationships. That's the beauty.